Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to categorize expenses in Goodbudget. In Goodbudget, categorizing expenses is assigning each expense to an envelope, your budget category. That's how the app tracks where your money goes. And understanding the idea, your expenses must go into an envelope. Example, bought food goes to food envelope, paid rent goes to rent envelope. So in order to how to categorize it, first open to your web browser. In the top there's an address bar, type on goodbudget.com and enter it. Over here, make sure to log into your account in the top right corner here. And after that, what you can do is you can simply click plus add transaction in the top left here. So over here, what you can do is you need to select your payee as well and type down the amount here and select the envelope. You can simply choose the envelope for groceries if it's the food categorization. You can select your account here as well. And you can also type down the check, which is optional, and you can also type any of the notes. And after you're done, you can save it on the bottom, and that is it. Always use the same envelope for similar expenses. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down and we will reach out to you very soon.